I was seeing double and life turn to rubble in a flash. Every mistake that I made was a friend of mine. Taught me to come back 100 times. Every hill I didn't die on is a mountain that I climb. So what do you believe in?
Wow.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray on the commentary gantry, and sharing duties with me today, Stuart Robson. And everyone here on tenterhooks, you'd have to say with good reason. It is Manchester City facing Manchester City.
Well, as always, I'm looking forward to this because both teams have strong aspects to their game. Both managers like to play attacking football, and we've got some good matchups all over the pitch.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh, genuine chance. Can they put it away? Still a chance. And the keeper hangs on at the second attempt.
Well, he's done really well, hasn't he? Great stop, and then the reaction.
Gomez. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Ramirez. And on to Snyder. Son. Ramirez. There is the goal!
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
So City get things going again, and the onus is on them to erase the damage done by that concession. Isco. Trippier. Well, it's a very attractive passing sequence. And that's what they needed, Manchester City. A goal to level matters here.
Well, this is a brilliant strike, as you can see. He hits it with so much power. The keeper had no chance. Fantastic finish.
So in business once more, on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Andrew Robertson. And Mateus has it. Son. A very timely interception. Gomez. Trippier now. Thierry Henry. It is a decent-looking attack here. And he couldn't worry the keeper with that effort. Trippier. Gomez. And a fine tackle. Trippier now. Now a potentially dangerous position for City. Well, disappointing end to the move. And there it is, the half-time whistle. And as the second half commences, both sides can reflect on a first half in which they were so very evenly matched. Isco. Timber. Phil Foden now. The referee has decided to give the free-kick decision the way of City. William Saliba. Now with Sneijder. Son. Making sure nothing untoward happened. Superb tackle. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Well, the ball back with City here. Wesley Sneijder. And that's really well read. William Saliba. Sneijder. Now Son. Went in strongly, decisively. Ramirez. It's with Del Piero. And Mateus has it. Must be! Not out of the woods yet. Smuggled away. 10 minutes left for play. And City on the front foot near the end of this contest. Still level here. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Del Piero.
Well, City have to get the ball forward quickly now. The crowd are demanding just that little bit more effort. What a finish we've got on our hands here.
Mario Gomez. And that is going to be all for this game. Well, we were treated to goals, but no winners in the end. Stuart, what did you make of it?
Well, Derek, it was certainly entertaining. Both sides had periods of the game where they were dominant, but overall, I think a draw is just about the right result.
Hard times ain't leaving. What do you believe in?
Woo! Wow.
Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And we're fully convinced this game will live up to its billing. Stuart, what are you expecting?
Thanks, Derek. Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, pinning the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully, we get a really good game here.
Jonas Vint. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Jonas Vint. Well, a good place to win it back, and let's see what it leads to. Must take the lead here. Ronaldinho. Now with Cahill. Joe Cole. Now, options are plenty. Cahill. Isco. And now Henry. And on to Gomez. And Salford City regaining possession. Ronaldinho. And it might be. Gomez. Promising sequence. Might be a chance here. And the deflection behind then for the corner. Well, it was straight at the keeper, but technically good goalkeeping. Isco. Oh, and the referee has pointed to the spot. A penalty it is, and a chance for them to forge ahead. Let's to open the scoring here. And the penalty is converted. I don't think anyone really questioned him.
Well, here's the replay, and just look at that power. That's almost unstoppable. That's a great strike.
So underway again here. 1-0 the score. Cahill. Henry. Mario Gomez. And the fourth official confirming that we'll have one additional minute. So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match. Well, advantage City after the first 45 minutes, but a long way from being decided. Hadji. Jonas Vint. Perfect challenge. Gomez. Good work from Salford City to win it back. Ronaldinho. Oh, genuine chance. Big chance it is. Oh, he couldn't outwit the keeper. And teammates around him. Still ahead by a goal and moving the ball with purpose. And that wasn't a million miles away, almost the equaliser.
Well, it's not a bad effort, is it? But they've got to find a way back into this one.
Mario Gomez. He's in here. And a goal it is for Manchester City. They are the team on course for victory.
Well, as you can see, he gave the keeper no chance there. He looked so confident, didn't he? That's a cool finish.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Well, he's won the ball. A quarter of an hour remaining here. Gomez. And the ball back with Salford City now. So getting close to the end of this one, and City pushing all the right buttons.
Well, they've been much the better side up to now. Some of their approach play has been excellent. They just need to control possession for these final few minutes to cap off a really good display.
And Manchester City will go to their bench. Well, the free kick fired too close to the goalkeeper. Hadji. Cahill. Genuine chance. Well, he didn't catch it badly, but certainly questions to be asked about the lack of accuracy there. The electronic board has been held in the air, and we're going to have a minimum of 4 added minutes. Emphasis on the clearance, a good one. Well, there's the final whistle, and Manchester City have come out on top in this game. Your verdict?
Well, Derek, it was fairly comfortable in the end because they were tactically superior, had better individuals, and were always a threat going forward. It was a really good performance and a good result as well.
Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious night for football. Perfect playing conditions. I'm Derek Ray on the commentary gantry and delighted to be joined as always by Stuart Robson. And every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining match here. It is Manchester City taking on Liverpool.
Well, both teams know they need to start the game well here. Try to dominate the midfield area and get their creative players on the ball. This should be an interesting game, I think.
Gomez, and it might be, and a goal! Just what the fans wanted to see, the ideal way to begin.
Well, let's take another look, and wow, how cleanly does he hit that? The keeper was never going to save it. What a good goal that is.
Well, as Liverpool get the ball moving again, how will they react? Fairman. Paolo Maldini. Trippier now. Mario Gomez. Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it. Ronaldinho. Good work from City to win back the ball. Trippier. Oh, good work by the keeper. And now the goal the City fans wanted to see. It's hard to see them throwing this away.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, and then what a strike. That's hit with such ferocity. Certainly no stopping that. That's a great goal.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Dembele. And Dembele's given it away. He has teammates around him. Isco. Lampard had work to do defensively. Trippier. And cleared away. Well, it clearly was deflected, so it will be their throw-in. So the whistle then. We're up the halfway stage in this match. Well, the ball is rolling again, and no escaping it. There was a huge gulf between the sides in the first half. Will we see a response from Liverpool in the second 45? Safe pair of hands, did his job. Isco. Foden. Promising sequence. And a good take under duress there. Gomez. Now Isco. A goal! Another one! It's turning into an absolute demolition job.
Well, here's the replay, and just look at that power. That's almost unstoppable. That's a great strike.
This is looking rather comfortable for them. 3-0. Cristiano Ronaldo. Isco. Foden. Foden. Trippier. Composed and patient passing. Oh, good use of the ball. Gomez. Gomez! And a goal! And you've got to say, they definitely took a deflection off the defender.
Well, as you can see, he gets a bit lucky here. The deflection just had the keeper wrong-footed, but he won't worry about that.
A change in the offing for City. A lopsided contest, 4-0. Just 10 minutes to go. Capdevila. Isco. Ronaldinho. And return to Isco. Oh, and pushed onto the woodwork. Perhaps an opportunity for Isco. Corner awarded to Liverpool. Corner once more. It might still be problematic. Ronaldinho. Well, they pulled one back, but perhaps a bit too late in this contest. They haven't been at the races this evening.
Well, here's the replay, and you can see why the manager is furious. It's just really poor play, offering up possession far too easily in a dangerous area. And at this level, if you keep doing that, you're going to get punished.
And there's the final whistle. It goes into the books as a City victory.
Well, Derek, what a good performance that was. They did most things right, and their attacking play was inventive and had a real cutting edge. That was a really dominant display from them today.